Hi everyone, we're at Mannus Lake, which is located at Tumbarumba, New South Wales. This camping area is quite nice actually. There is a boat ramp that you can actually put a canoe or a boat in. Also an area where you can actually scull your fish, which has water as well. It is so peacefully. The only thing you can really hear is just the cows in the background, which are right over the other side of the lake, and plenty of wildlife in the background. There are bins available and some tables and chairs, which is undercover, and the camping area is very tidy. Lawns are mowed, everything looks nice and neat, and the toilets are good. So if you're looking for a nice peaceful stay, this would be a good one. Very quiet, and also it has awesome sunsets. I'll show you around. To get to Mannus Lake, there is a dirt road which is suitable for all campers, motorhomes, caravans, camp trailers, absolutely everyone. As you drive in, there are camping areas left and on the right. This free camp is very clean and tidy. The toilets are long drop, very clean, and there are bins located at the toilets. As you go over the bridge, this is on the left hand side of the camping ground. There is plenty of room for all campers to park up. As you can see, there are plenty of campsites for everyone to park up. Here is the boat ramp. You can stick your boat in, kayak, go do a little bit of fishing and just relax. This is a place where you can actually scull your fish, and water is available there as well. This is the footbridge that takes you over to the right hand side of the camping area. There are undercover tables and chairs. As you can see, the area is mowed and looks very clean and tidy. Here's somewhere that you can actually park up your boat. There are tables and chairs and undercover, and also there is a toilet which is long drop also. And here are the sunsets.